This video is sponsored by JJ Drones, the droning veteran, and Chillin' in Indiana Carl. Welcome to Off the Hook Outdoors. I'm Ted, your host, and welcome back to another bait making video. In this video, I am very excited about this mold. This is the ICraw, the 3.5 inch ICraw, and this is the CNC mold from itMolds. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to make it in a new color. It's called Blue Crawl. So stay with me, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm doing something new in this video, and it's going to be coming in the future also. Is what I'm going to do is, if you guys watch this video and you see an Off the Hook logo, I'm going to put it in the video somewhere, and when the logo pops up, what I need you to do is make a comment on the timestamp on when the logo was up. Now, once you do that, you're going to be entered in to win a pack of my baits. So watch the video. When the logo pops up somewhere in the video, you're going to put the time it comes up, and then everybody that puts the correct time in is going to go into a drawing, and they're going to win a pack of my baits. I just think that's something pretty fun for everybody to do and make it more interactive. So, hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this mold from itMolds. This is why I'm so excited about this mold and bringing it to you guys today. It is the most realistic crawfish, crawdad, mudbug mold out there. I really can't wait till I make this bait to see how it looks. I haven't made a bait yet with it, so tonight is the first night, so stick around. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually oil the mold. So I'm going to put some worm oil. I'm going to brush the worm oil in the mold here. Real quick for you guys, get the sprue here. And like I said before, I haven't made a bait yet out of this mold, so I'm really anxious to see what it looks like. But it is definitely the most detailed crawfish mold out there. So after I use the worm oil, I am going to put it into the vise here, and I'm going to let it sit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get some crawfish. It's crawling tube plastic. I'm going to put about a cup of plastic in here. And then we're going to put it in the microwave, and we're going to heat it up for about 3 minutes, and we will be right back when it is finished, guys. Okay, so we got the plastic just about ready. So, and this is a new color that I'm using. I told you it's the Blue Crawl, and this is from Dead On Plastics, the Blue Crawl. So I am going to put some drops in here. Whoops, I just spilled a little bit, but we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to see what that looks like. Very, very light, so I'm going to have to add a bunch of this in here. So we're just going to squirt some in there until we get it the way we want it. Okay, so it's got like a brown, it's got like a blue tint to it, so that's pretty cool. I don't know how. It's almost like a bluish and a green tint to it. So we're going to keep mixing this up. I may add another drop or two to it. Okay, so we'll put the 2 drops in. Let me get my paper towel here because I spilt a little bit, guys. I'm going to do that. Let's mix this up. That looks pretty cool, actually. Yeah, I think that's going to be really cool. Yeah, I'm going to put, I think it's just a hair light. So let me drop a couple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 more drops in there. And let's see how that looks. Okay, so that's the color I want right there, guys. Let me get all this up off the table and put this color in over here. And we're going to mix this up. I'm not going to put any glitter or anything in it yet. I'm going to just mix it up, and I'm going to shoot one to see how it looks. And then we can mess with it a little bit. And I'm going to put it back in here for about 30 seconds. and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I got it ready to go. So I am going to shoot this right now with the full injector. And once again, guys, I haven't shot this bait yet, so it's the first time for me. Okay, so we're gonna shoot it. Didn't take too much plastic. This is a single mold. They do have a 4 cavity mold also, and that is in the Essential series. So I'm probably gonna order that one next, so I can make a few baits at a time. Plus, it has that matte finish. This is the CNC mold, so you're gonna get like a shiny look to this. So let's see how this looks. We'll give it a couple minutes, and we will be right back with the results. But I really like this color, guys. Okay, so we're gonna open this mold up here and see what it looks like, guys. Wow. Look at that detail. Let me cut these off here real quick and show you guys. But look at that detail in that crawfish. And look at the back side of it. That is an awesome, awesome bait. I'm going to shoot a couple more of these. And then I'm going to start playing around. I'll show you guys some glitter and things like that. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to shoot. I'm going to shoot another one for you here on camera. And then I'm going to make some more of these blue crawl. And then I'm going to probably add, I think I'm going to add some blue flake to this. So we're going to pull that out. This is a really cool color though. It's like a mixture between brown, green, and blue. It's a really neat color. So we'll do that. Fill the sprue up a little bit. And then we're going to put the rest back in. And we'll give it a couple minutes. And I'll show you the results. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, and we're going to open this up again, and there you have it. So that mold shoots so nice, and look at that detail in that crawfish. This has so much detail in it, guys. I am super excited about that. It's got all the appendages, got the legs, there's the underbody of it. So what I want to do is I'm going to put some blue flake in this now to give it a little bit of sparkle. So stay tuned and I'll show you that in a little bit. Okay, so I got the plastic melted. I'm going to add some blue flake to this, guys. I think it's going to add a little bit of... I'm going to add 1, 2... So a 1/4 teaspoon of blue flake into this. And I think that's going to really make this thing pop here. Okay, and that's pretty good. Let me get this lid back on here. And I'm going to put the plastic back in for about 20 seconds. And then I'm going to shoot this with the glitter. So we'll check it out and see what happens. Okay, so we got the blue crawl. And we've added some blue flake into this. And we're going to take a injector full of plastisol. And we're going to shoot this steady pressure. I'm really anxious to see what this looks like with the blue flake in it. Okay, fill the sprue up, and we will be right back and show you the results. Okay, so here is the mold with the blue flake in it. That looks pretty awesome. Let's take this out and show you guys. Let me cut this off here and I'll show you the results. Here you go. So there is the blue crawl color with the blue flake in it. That's awesome. There's the bottom. And I guess I could probably even do different color claws. I could do probably a laminate in this also, like 2 colors, one on top, one on the bottom. So that's really exciting, guys. I'm really excited to use this bait this year. This will be on my website soon. It isn't on there right now, but if you'd like to order some of these crawfish baits, just email me, and the email is in the description of my video, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we got this. Let me move this over here so you can see it. So we got it heated up again. Now, I didn't know if you noticed this, but I'll show you both of these next to each other here. So you can see how the brown, it's more of a brown when it's a solid color, but when you add the blue, it almost turns it into like a green color. So that's the difference with the with the glitters. So you gotta, you know, pay attention to that when you're making baits and things like that. So let me get another injector for this and shoot this bait real quick, and we will be right back. Okay, well, I'm gonna open this up right here, guys, so you can see. That is the one I'm making there. All right, so there is the blue crawfish, guys. That looks awesome. Okay, let me cut this up. And let me show you both of these right here. So that is how detailed. This is a very detailed mold. So I'm really excited about it, guys. If you're interested in buying any of my baits, you can please go to offthehookoutdoors.us and check out the baits that are on there. I don't have all my baits on because I got a bunch of molds, but I'm working on putting them on my website. But if you're interested in anything and it's not on there, please give me an email at tedpolanowskijr at gmail.com, and that's all in the description of this video, guys. So that's going to do it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's fairly short but sweet. I really wanted to show you the detail on this crawfish mold. I'm really excited about it. It's the 3.5 inch ICraw from itMolds. Also in the description of my video is the itMolds website. So go over to itMolds, check out their products that they have. They have all your bait making products that you want to start making baits at a really reasonable price. And that's going to do it for tonight, guys. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe. Make a comment and share us out. We really do appreciate that. And I want to thank you for all who are following me that are watching this. I really do appreciate that. But do me a favor, guys. If you get a chance, please take a kid fishing or hunting. We want to preserve that sport and pass it on to future generations. And like always, we will see you.